Foodbeast just got an inside look at the brand new Avengers campus at Disney's California Adventure, and we're here to show you guys the coolest food items. Now there's a ton of awesome things to look at inside the campus, like giant artifacts, robotic spiders, optical illusions, superhero encounters, and a high-tech Spider-Man attraction, but the food here is truly show-stopping. There are several food stops, so first let's go inside the Pym Test Kitchen, inspired by Ant-Man. The theming of this kitchen is spot on. Everything is either blown up or shrunk in size. The most eye-catching item is definitely their ginormous, impossible meatball, which is actually fully vegan. It comes served in this awesome giant spoon with both big and tiny pasta noodles. This fork may look small, but it's strong enough to pick up this huge, juicy meatball. Another fun menu item is their not-so-little chicken sandwich. This huge fried chicken breast is sandwiched between some adorable tiny buns, and it's super fun to pick up. To wash everything down, you have to go over to their awesome soda machines and grab their green Bingo Dose. This refreshing soda has a lemon-lime flavor with a nice vanilla kick. You can even get in a large Bingo Dose can that you can fill up with any drink of your choice. Speaking of drinks, right outside the kitchen is the Pym Tasting Lab that serves alcoholic beverages on tap. Not only can you get these super cool cocktails that look like sparkling lab experiments, but you can also get a flight of their pint-sized mini beer. Now let's go check out their iconic shawarma palace that's shown in the Marvel movies. Here you can get New York's tastiest chicken shawarma wrap, or the plant-based wrap that's filled with Impossible Victory falafel. Both of these wraps come with a delicious coconut yogurt tahini sauce. These are a must-have for any true Marvel fan. Last but not least, let's grab some dessert from Tehran Treats, located outside of Guardians of the Galaxy. These are crispy cosmic cream orbs that are super vibrant inside with a bright purple raspberry cheesecake mousse. There are a ton more food items available at Avengers Campus, but these are our top Foodbeast picks. Let us know in the comments what you are most excited to try.